Daddy. That's what I'm talking about, baby boy! Good morning, everyone. It's Mississippi's youth turkey season this weekend. Got old Dax. I'm gonna try to get him a turkey. Got Brister going with Daniel. And another spot, so hopefully we can get us one fired up somewhere. We are walking in. We can go listen a little bit and let Dax miss the turkey.
Joe, welcome back to the channel. I got Daniel over here. Got Daniel with me today. We're here. About to go do some turkey hunting. Alright, we just got down here. Waiting on some goggles.
Well, we ain't struck up a bird yet. Daniel and Brister ain't heard any either. Oh, there it is. I don't know if y'all can see that. We got some turkey sign. Help me listen.
We just heard one gobble. Just turned the camera off and one gobbled. Sounded to me it was way that way.
Alright, you think he's down there?
We're going the way it sounded like it came from, but we just barely heard it. 2 times. Sounded like that way. So we're going that way. Today, Daniel's gonna be filming me. If we should get a turkey, Daniel's gonna film me shooting it.
Well, this location is a bust. Hadn't heard anything. So I'm gonna go try another location. Daniel and Brister got one gobbling on the property next to them, and heard some hens in between them and the gobblers, so they might have some come in a little bit. We're gonna go try another location, see if we can get them fired up there. I sure hope so.
We've been sitting here for a minute, for a little bit calling, ready for them to come out. What do you think we should do?
See what they do. Sit here, be still. Listen for a minute. See if one might walk out or not. We'll try to go get on that one over there.
Well, there's some hens in between us and the gobbler, so if we try to go towards the gobbler, we're gonna spook the hens. If we stay here, we just gotta wait.
Alright, we're at the second location. I'm gonna try to get her done here. Not even there.
What happened?
We ain't seen no turkeys. We ain't heard no turkeys. But down here at the second spot, as y'all can see, and called a little bit, nothing. No answer. Last year we could come here and we could fire one up on the other side of these pine trees. We could hear him gobbling. There was 2 or 3 that hung around here, but we could never get on them. They always went that direction, which is someone else's property. But we have seen them in this field. I don't know what the deal is. Y'all give us some tips, y'all. It's just too early in the season. They quiet at the beginning of the season. Well, I really don't know. Couldn't hear none gobbling on the roost when the owls and crows were cutting up this morning. They're not answering the calls either, so there should be several out here, because nobody killed a turkey out here last year. But they was everywhere. All the spots we've been so far are places that we have gotten on turkey. Guess they all henned up at the moment. See you.
Alright, leaving our spot, walking across the field. I'm gonna ask Daniel what we're gonna do next. He's looking through the woods. But we might see, we might get a turkey. Had a hen that came probably like 10 yards from us. You heard a gobble?
We got to get in here and get it.
Oh, I just heard a gobble. So we couldn't go quick. Gotta go quick.
Daniel just texted me. Said that they got 2 gobblers fired up. We can go over there and see if we can get on one. Him and Brister can get on up. Getting loaded up, heading that way. If this one comes in to the left, this one over here sounds like it's closer. Maybe he'll get out in front of us. Be still. Alright, get you go. Be still, be still. Take your safety off, push that safety off. In front of you, kill. Hold on. Ready. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him, Brister. That's what I'm talking about, baby boy. Woo!
Yeah!
That's what I'm talking about. Woo! Got it on video too. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, son. My mouth call fell out of my mouth. I couldn't putt to him. What them hooks gonna be, baby?
We got him, boys. We got him. We got him. We got him. I was trying to shoot, and I just pulled.
Grab him and his feathers come out, Brister.
Hmm?
Some of his feathers gonna come out. That's a big bird, dude.
Hmm?
Good job. Give me some. Look at that beard.
Dude, I was just...
Can you look at that beard,
Oh
Brister?
my gosh. Look, so we were sitting over there, that tree right there. I'm looking, I'm just searching around, trying to see which one would come to us first.
I'm trying to pick your feathers up.
Alright. And I just looked and I seen that white, I seen his head. I was like, oh no, here he comes.
I need to get him mounted so he can fix his feathers. His feathers come right out. That's a big bird.
I shot and he was like way over here. No, he was right here.
Hey, that's a heck of a bird right there. That thing's bigger than he's the biggest, my biggest bird.
I'm trying to find the rest of these feathers.
You gotta carry him out. That's your first bird, son.
No.
Yeah. Put him over your shoulder like this. Grab him back. Look at them hooks. Show them folks on camera what them hooks gonna be. Huh? That's what you call hooks. Look at that beard. Woo!
Yeah. First one in my family to get a turkey. Woo.
All right, y'all. It's youth season in Mississippi. We got in here this morning and we had one goblin way off, sounded like, and we finally got in there to him and had some hens mess us up. Everything shut up, got quiet. And I told Brister, I said, let's go in here last place we heard him and see if I can't get him fired up. We ain't no longer got in here and hit the call, and this son gonna come running in here. Had two of them gobbling. Look at that bird, y'all. Look at that boy right there.
Yeah,
He gotta be tickled to death.
I was sitting.
Woo!
Danny, I was just sitting here looking around. All of a sudden, I look and I see the prettiest bird ever.
I'm telling you.
Get ready. He was like, get ready, get ready. It got to right here, and I just pulled the trigger because if I waited too long, it probably would have got behind that. So I just pulled it right there.
All right.
What you got there, Brister?
A turkey.
A big old beard on.
First day of season.
Yeah, so me and Dax got a text from Daniel,
It about attacked me too.
and he said that they was on one, and we was loading up in the truck to come down here. He texted me and said he got it. Old Brister smoked it. When I was flopping around on the ground, all his tail feathers come out.
Yeah, while I was flopping, it about attacked me.
Was you scared of it?
No. Sure.
Was you shaking? Was you nervous when you shot?
I think I was more nervous than he was.
How was that 20 gauge? And then bust your shoulder? Yeah.
It hurt a little bit.
We'll have to get somebody to fix up the tail. We FaceTiming Mama now.
Aww.
Hey, Mama.
Hey, baby.
So, almost the whole fan fell off. There's a couple
I
left.
see that. Well,
Yeah.
congratulations.
Thank you.
After that and gobbled a time or two, that and back here and gobbled, just fired up. And that sung on, I don't know, it was crazy. All kind of hens started cutting up.
You think you slick?
And
All right.
that turkey comes slipping around to the side there. Brister popped him.
20 yards comes out of nowhere. I'm just looking around, waiting for a turkey. I look. There he is, 20 yards. He just does a little loop and I shot him.
He come like right beside us and then come out in front of us.
Yeah.
And he was still walking. I was like, Brister, you gotta shoot him. The mouth all done fell out. I couldn't do nothing.
Good job, bud.
Thanks.
Oh, now we're gonna get shot? Say, ba-bam!
Bam!
Is this thing on? Well, we got the turkey loaded up and we're headed to the taxidermist. We're gonna see if he can fix the tail up and mount it, or if he can just fix it up on a plaque. Either way, it's going on the wall. But we're gonna try it again. We gotta get Dax one now. But I'm proud of my boy. He beat me on getting a turkey. I still ain't killed one yet. I've never killed one. Let me rephrase that. And old Brister beat me to it. Good job, buddy. And we're gonna see if Dax can beat me to it tomorrow morning. But anyway, I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all be sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button down below, and also follow us on Facebook. And we'll catch y'all next time.